Hey, what's up, YouTube? Today we're having a flight to Kilo Foxtrot Lima Lima. My call sign is Golf Foxtrot 112. I already have the engine ready. We already did a checkup.
Hey,
Prop. Load
Noel,
everything.
where'd you go?
We have sometimes
Oh, I
there's
switched
a
back
problem
up.
that happens.
Oh,
Generator
okay.
on, ignition.
Something a little
Starter on.
faster.
Turned it off, and off.
Yeah, I think that's a little bit faster. Fatigue. Yeah, that's pretty fast.
Tower, this is November 001, permission tag to runway 26.
Remember, Foxtrot 1224, you clear taxi. Or
Yeah, that's
again,
my
the
call sign.
Oh my god, I do not know these.
Turn them off.
It's your damn call sign. Hey, November, Alpha, Vector, 001, you clear the taxi runway 226. Sorry, 26. Sorry, I'm getting confused.
November
Taxi
Foxtrot
2.
124, requesting permission to hold for friend on runway 26.
Okay, we're gonna taxi to runway 8 left.
I
So
literally
take
don't
up-
see him behind me.
taxi.
I am right behind you.
Behind you and
Yes, he comes up behind you, he wants to put finger above, yes, he like to do that.
Oh my god, I
shit.
can hear this.
And some
Oh
of
my
these 18s, by the way, can go full throttle and still go backwards.
Yes, you go forward, you go backwards, you hit building, you go boom boom, yes.
The GF is
November 001, am I cleared to align on runway 6?
Yes,
No,
you got
sorry.
that. Hey, how about you shut up and let me do my job?
Wreck.
Yes,
good.
yes, I didn't realize
Full
we could have
throttle 3,
yes,
2, 1,
we could
throttle.
be very insulting. Speaker, why do you so, yes, like, told
Hey,
down
shut
here?
up, Craig, with the let me do my damn job. Stop having complete voice
Uh,
better life.
You just literally just using
Golf
again.
Foxtrot 112.
Sure, you know,
What is the
use the
altimeter
dips.
here?
I'm not getting this man with the cheap voice.
What is
I
the
cannot hear
altimeter
what
here?
you're saying. You need to take the mic out of your mouth, kid.
How about you take yours out of
I'll turn on for you.
your ass?
Oh, that was a very good. That was an epic comeback, kid. Yes, gold star, very good one.
What is the altimeter here?
The altimeter is 30.04.
I think this is too slow for
Sorry,
an
what'd you say?
18.
I said the altimeter is 30.04.
Roger. 30.04. Golf Foxtrot 122. 112.
November Foxtrot 1224. Can you switch to departure on 127.80?
I'm sorry, is that for Golf Foxtrot
That
112?
is the.
Hey, Noel, if you can find an airport, maintain low altitude so you can land.
Yeah, I just accidentally crashed.
November Foxtrot 1224. Did you get my last transmission?
Hey, you should use a plane that's not a jet, because jets are kind of hard to fly, honestly.
November Foxtrot 1224. My last transmission.
I'm sorry, is that for Golf
What?
Foxtrot 112?
November Foxtrot 1224. Can you switch to departure on 12.80?
I already took off, buddy.
It's departure. I think you departed from the airport.
Oh.
And that technically says control.
Golf Foxtrot 112 requesting takeoff from runway 8 left.
Well, I have no idea what this kid is saying.
Could be.
Kidding, mate. I'm kidding.
Golf Foxtrot 112 requesting takeoff from runway 08 left.
Actually, your call sign is a GLO.
Oh, this is November 001, I need an emergency landing, 2 engines down.
Copy
And
that.
it's raining.
Go ahead, you have clearance to land on any runway that you want to go on, because there is
Yeah, it's raining, guys.
Golf Foxtrot 112, request to take off runway 08 left.
You are cleared for takeoff. Go ahead.
Roger that. Golf Foxtrot 112, clear for takeoff runway 8 left. The
One
autopilot
I'm about to land on.
is
Okay, I'll move
set.
to another one.
Also, the wind in Miami is 6
I wasn't
kph.
really gonna use it, so I'm just doing it just in case.
Hey, Noel, I found another airport. It's not that far from, Miami International.
Alright, flaps down 1 notch. Check.
I'll catch up with you in a sec to get my engines restarted.
Check.
I had a bit traffic.
I'm at the wrong angle to land at it, but I found it.
5,000.
Or am I? Hold on.
Throttle.
Let me go lower and see.
Once we hit about
Tower, this is gonna be dirty. I've got too much speed. I have to slow down and the end of the runway.
and we're off. Gear up. Flaps up. I'm in 9th gear. Because we don't have.
Yeah, well, I found another airport. I just can't land at it. I'm too high and I'm too fast and I'm at the wrong angle.
Well, I'm
crap.
gonna sign up for being ADD, and I'm gonna do 7-100 ring.
Golf Foxtrot 112. Off
I'm
runway
gonna
8
go
left.
BA even.
Lower the pitch. Drop down.
Oh my gosh, heavy storms, big lightning. I just saw one like strike right near me.
What is the weather channel here? One second. 126.7. One eight.
And please switch to approach on 127.8 aircraft.
Golf Foxtrot 112.
Roger.
What is the ETIS?
Can you please repeat that and tell me what that means?
The weather. What's the weather frequency here?
The weather frequency is. Let me look. Oh, here we go. 119.150. Well, sorry, 119.15.
Roger, Golf Foxtrot 112.
Miami Airport Information Center 1448 Zulu, wind 116 at 6. Visibility greater than 20 miles. Sky conditions 2,200 scattered. Thunderstorms in the area. Temperature 2.8 and 2.2. 224, altimeter